If Photoshop is giving you a print error or the print option is grayed out, stuck, or not responding, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll start with resetting Photoshop's print dialog settings, then we'll check your image mode and color settings, and finally, we'll turn off hardware acceleration if your graphics processor is causing the issue. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop fixes and easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, let's try resetting Photoshop preferences, because corrupted settings can often cause print problems. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, then General. On Mac, go to Photoshop, then Settings, then General. In that menu, look for the option that says Reset Preferences on next launch. Click it, then confirm if Photoshop asks you to do so. After that, close Photoshop completely and reopen it so the reset can take effect. If you don't see that option, you can do it manually. First, quit Photoshop, then locate the Adobe Photoshop Version Settings folder on your computer. On Windows, this is usually inside Users, then your username, then App Data, Roaming, Adobe, Adobe Photoshop Version, and then Settings. Move that settings folder to your desktop as a backup, and then open Photoshop again. The app will create a fresh settings file automatically. This is a great way to clear out any corrupted preferences that might be blocking the print command. Next, check your document mode. Some image formats can restrict printing functions, especially if your file is not in the right color depth. Go to Image, then Mode, and make sure your document is set to 8-bit. If your file is in 16-bit or 32-bit, Photoshop may disable or limit certain print features. Switching to 8-bit often restores normal printing behavior right away. Now, open the print window and look at the color handling settings. In the Photoshop print dialog, try changing color handling to Photoshop Manages Colors. This can help if the issue is related to how Photoshop is sending the file to the printer. In some cases, the wrong color management setting can make the print process fail or behave unpredictably, so this is an important step to test. If the problem is still not fixed, the issue may be your graphics processor. Sometimes hardware acceleration clashes with Photoshop's export or print process. To test this, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance. Find the option called Use Graphics Processor and uncheck it. Then click OK, close Photoshop, and try printing again. If the print command works after turning this off, then your GPU was likely causing the conflict. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the Photoshop print error. Start with the preferences reset, then check the document mode and color handling, and finally disable the graphics processor if needed. These steps are simple, but they solve a lot of common Photoshop printing issues without needing to reinstall the app. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop troubleshooting guides, editing tips, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.